Hello Year 3, great to have you with me again for our Friday 5th of February Maths. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to give you a challenge. Now I'm going to ask you to see how many of these questions you can answer. If you want to give yourself a challenge, put a timer on and see how many you can answer in 3 minutes. If you don't want to time yourself, that's fine. Just have a go, see how many you can do. Pause the video and have a go. Great. Now then, let's have a look. Pause the video while you check your answers and see how you got on. Good job. Right, today for our main lesson, we're going to be writing numbers up to 1000 in words. So, to be successful in doing this, you need to be able to recognise and say what the number is. You need to be able to write the number in words, but you also need to be able to spell the number words correctly. So, in order to do that, let's have a look at these. Say these numbers with me. So we've got 235. So we write it 235. And it has a little hyphen between 30 and 5 to show that it's 35, a number joined together. Let's have a look at the next one. 614. So let's have a look how we would write that. 614. If we put a little block over our 600, you can see that we've counted the 600 and then we've put and 14. So you need to remember that you'd say the 100 first, then you use the word and then you use whatever the number is in the tens and ones. So let's have a look at this next number here. 400, ooh, no tens here. So how many have we got in total in our tens and ones? That's right, we've got 2. So we would say 402. And we would write it just the way that we say it, 402. And then if we have a look at this last one, 540. We've got no ones in our number, but we've got 4 tens. And we would write this 540. And I just wanted to point out to you the way that we spell 40. If you have a look at how we spell 4, F-O-U-R, 40 doesn't have a U in it, F-O-R-T-Y. That's a bit of a tricky one that you'll need to remember. But to help you, on your sheets today you've got a number word mat. It's not the same as this one, but it's got all these numbers on. And you can see that our numbers from 1 to 10 on this box here are repeated over here when we're looking at our hundreds. So 100, 200, 300. Then we've got the words we use for our teens, 13, 14, 15. Make sure you're not getting those confused with 30, 40 and 50. And then we've got our big total here of 1000. Now again today, you've all got very similar tasks, just different numbers to work with. So the first task is writing the number that's shown in the pictures, but writing it in words. You might want to write it in numbers first. but you then need to write it out in words. Task 2, you need to write the number out in words. So we look at the first one here, it's 678, so you would need to write in here 678. And then for your final task today, for a Friday, we've got a bit of a game. You will need a dice for this, and you roll the die and roll it 3 times to make 3 numbers. Each number you need to put into one of your boxes in the hundreds, tens and ones grid. Then you need to write the number that you've made, and then I'd like you to write the number in words. So here we've rolled a 4 and a 6 and a 1. So we've made the number 461 and we've written it out in words. 461. Fantastic. So you've got your sheets there. Have a go. Enjoy playing the game with the dice. Remember that if possible to send your work in by 3:30 today, and the next lesson ready for Monday will be available at 5 o'clock on Sunday evening on the school YouTube channel. See you all again next week. Bye.